everyone, I am Manjula with you. Film shooting at space station. For the first time in history, the shooting of a Russian film has begun at the International Space Station. Famous Russian film director Klim Shipenko is directing the movie The Challenge. The story is set in space. For this, the film crew decided to shoot in space. For that, it was decided to go to the International Space Station. Diaspora Tamil Welfare Board. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has announced that a new board called the Diaspora Tamil Welfare Board will be set up to look after the welfare of Tamils living abroad. Our Tamils are the only ethnic group living in most countries of the world. Tamils live in large numbers in more than 30 countries and in small numbers in more than 60 countries. They went to do business, to live, search of jobs, escape from the pirates, learn about new places. Many like this would have had multiple motives. Such displacements have been going on for a long time. Wherever Tamils live, Tamil Nadu is their home. It is the duty of the motherland not only to love them but also to cherish and protect them. The government of Tamil Nadu has offered to help solve the problems of the Tamil people in living in various countries. That's why Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin has announced that a new board called the Diaspora Tamil Welfare Board will be set up to look after the welfare of Tamils living abroad. New judge appointed to Chennai High Court. Gujarat High Court judge is transferred to Chennai High Court. Rajendra Kashyap, Additional Secretary of the Government of India, said in a statement that Paresh Ravishankar Upadhyay, a judge in the Gujarat High Court, has been transferred to the Chennai High Court. Nobel Prize in Physics for 3. This year's Nobel Prize in Physics is awarded to 3 people who have made discoveries related to climate change. Among them are Sukiro Manab of Japan and Klaus Hasselmann of Germany, who received one of the Nobel Prize. On the other half, Giorgio Paris of Italy. Forbes rich list Trump's major setback. Former US President Donald Trump is not on Forbes list of the 400 richest people in the world. After 25 years, he has suffered a setback. Although assets such as cryptocurrencies and technology stocks have grown well in recent months, he has not been credited with Trump's real estate business. Because of this, he has suffered setbacks. 5 years ago, he had a golden opportunity to diversify his wealth, but he missed that opportunity. Trump was ranked 339th on the Forbes rich list last year. Trump is to blame for this fall. It's worth nothing that Amazon founder Jeff Bezos has topped Forbes rich list for the 4th year in a row. Action change in school education. Tamil Nadu School Education Department is functioning in 3 divisions as Revenue District, Education District and Area. Accordingly, 38 revenue districts have been divided into 120 education districts for administrative convenience. District education officers will act as its chief executive. In the meantime, teachers working in public schools are undergoing a voluntary change consultation. Similarly, for the first time, the School Education Department has decided to conduct a transfer consultation on the basis of work seniority for district education officers. In a press release issued by the Commissioner of School Education, Nandakumar said, the district education officer and similar officers working in the field of education will be transferred on October 12. This consultation will be held on the basis of seniority will be conducted. Powerful earthquake in Japan. The earthquake was reported below the epicenter at 2:45 am according to the Japan Meteorological Agency. The quake, which measured 6.0 on the Richter scale, centered at the depth of 50 km, 142 km from the region. However, no tsunami alert was issued. There were no immediate reports of injuries or severe damage.